Hello friends, hope you are doing great. So let's begin our today's video. In this video, we will discuss about the Python verification on your Windows operating system. So let's start straight with the command line. Here we have the first command python -- version to check the Python version installed on your Windows operating system. Similar command py, that is a short form for Python -- version, same result. Now I'm going straight into the Python shell. Just type Python and you are directly into the Python shell where you can just write down the commands. So I'm doing the addition operator, the plus operator. Now this is the division operator and it will give you the results with the mathematical operators just performing amazing. Now I'm going to write the print command with hello Python amazing CLI, and it will just give an output for a print command what you have written down in the print section. Just open your Visual Code Studio and just create a new file for python test.py. I'm going to write down the program for addition operator and the subtraction operator just to check the connectivity of the Python on the Windows operating system. I'm just going to write down the same command for printing Python test page. It will just print the result, the output, what I have written down in the print command. Now the next you have to write down another print command for your addition operator. So simply you have to write down the mathematical equation 10 plus 340, but you have to assign it to some variable. It will not work this way. So I have to save this equation in the variable a, and it look nice now. So I have to add the variable in the print command. Sorry for mistyping. Yes, it's fine now. I think I missed the comma, so it will work fine now. A is not defined. Oh my god, you have to cut it and paste it on top of that print command. So this is the variable initiation that should be before the print command. So same way you have to just write down the equation for the minus operator. Just write down, cut and paste the print command, rename add with the minus operator, and you have to rename a with the b and run the Python command. So you will see that all the resulted outputs are printed and your Python is working perfectly on your Windows operating system. If you like this video, just subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much.